Welcome to MyTAXPrepOffice. In this video, you will learn how to start and complete a new return using the MyTAXPrepOffice interview mode. Let's get started. From the dashboard, locate the Recent Returns widget and click on New Return. From the New Return screen, you can create a return for an existing client or create a return for a new client. Let's create a return for a new client. The return type is going to be a 1040. Please note, interview mode is only available for individual 1040 returns. Let's begin with entering the required information in red. If you have the phone number and email, go ahead and enter that too. When you're done, click on Interview Mode. The interview home screen will open and display sections such as My Tax Portal and Interview Questions. The My Tax Portal feature allows you to invite your client to upload, review, and sign documents remotely. Simply click on the Send Request button. To start entering your client's data, click on the Start button. The federal screen will open and display sections such as client information, income, deduction and adjustments, tax and non-refundable credits, payments and refundable credits, miscellaneous forms, and tax summary. Use the Forms navigator on the left to view the current section of the tax return you are in. Let's begin with entering the client information. Click on the Start button. Begin with the filing status. If you are not sure what filing status to select, use the Guide Me feature. This will redirect you to the IRS website for additional assistance. A message will pop up informing you that you will be redirected to the IRS website. If you want to continue, click Yes. Once the filing status has been selected, click Continue. Enter the taxpayer information. Remember, all red fields are required and information must be entered. If the IRS has assigned your client an identity protection PIN, enter it here. If you need help retrieving the PIN, click on Retrieve IP PIN and you will be redirected to the IRS website. After entering the taxpayer information, click on Continue. Click on the checkbox to print the desired Form 1040 option. Continue with entering required information. When you have completed, click Continue. Would you like to claim any dependents or qualified individuals on your tax return? Click Yes or No. Then hit Continue. When you have completed entering the taxpayer information, you will be redirected back to the client information page. Now, let's enter some income. Click on Start for the income type you will be entering. In this example, this taxpayer has W-2 income. Start by entering the required information, then click Continue. To enter state information, click on Start. Once all W-2 information has been entered, click Continue. If you have more than one W-2, click on Add New. If you are done entering all income, Click on Continue. In interview mode, you can now enter deduction and adjustments, tax and non-refundable credits, payments and refundable credits, miscellaneous forms, and even view a tax summary. Let's continue. If you need to enter a state return, click on Add New. Please note, interview mode only supports full-year resident forms. For part year and non-resident states, please use Forms mode. For this example, no state return is needed, so let's continue. Refund payment options. Check the box for the desired refund payment option. Then click Continue. If you need to make a change on the refund payment options, click Edit. If not, continue. Perform Review will check the return for errors. If there are errors in the return, click Continue to resolve them one by one. Once the corrections are made, click Continue. Paid Preparer Compliance. If you need to update the preparer, click on Edit. Please note, all preparer information comes from your user box in the firm setup. Continue for client letter details and invoice details. You can now print the return in interview mode. Select the desired print packet, then click on Print Preview to preview the return, or click on Print to generate the return PDF. Click Continue if you are done previewing or printing the return. For signature authorization, enter the required information. If the taxpayer has a portal and you want to send the return for review or request for remote signature, click on the desired option. When done, click Continue. Ready to e-file the return? Mark the federal and/or state checkbox for the return you would like to e-file. Before sending, be sure to review the refund payment options to ensure you entered the correct information. Also, check the Perform Review one more time for errors. Looks like there's no errors and you're ready to e-file. Select the checkbox for federal and hit Send. Congratulations! You have completed and e-filed a tax return using MyTaxPrepOffice interview mode. Wasn't that easy? This completes the training video on how to complete a tax return in MyTaxPrepOffice interview mode. If you have additional questions, please visit the Solution Center by clicking the support button at the top of your MyTaxPrepOffice screen. Thank you for watching.